Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to print your MS Word document. So press Ctrl P. So now you will see here print setup. You can change copies which you need. Here you can select your printer which available and which is connected with your PC or laptop. So here guys you can customize some settings like you can select print all pages and also you can print specific selection from your document if you selected before. So you can print only selected area from your document. Here is the document info like list of properties such as file name, author and title, list of markup style and auto text entries. You can set here print markup only print odd pages or only print even pages. You can select from here. But if you don't need, so not make changes from here. Leave as default these all settings. Here you can select print one-sided and also manually print on both sides. Only print on one side of the page. And you can select also reload paper when prompt to print the second side. You can select orientation like portrait or landscape. You can select print paper size like A4. You can change margins. In page setup, there are some more settings like you can enter the custom margin, you can remove margins. In paper, you can give the custom paper size from here. Just select custom size and enter your own size. And in this layout section, you can make different odd and even. Here you can see all preview. Click on OK, then just you have to click on print. So this way guys you can print your MS Word document. Thanks for watching.